Uno Tiki Twist. How to play. The rules are the same as regular Uno, except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. Place the Tiki idle spinner in the middle of the table. When starting the discard pile, if the flipped card is a Tiki face, place it in the Tiki idle spinner and flip over another card. On your turn, instead of discarding a card to the discard pile, you may play a Tiki face action card from your hand to the Tiki idle spinner instead if you want. If you do, spin the Tiki idle, and whoever it points to is the player who must perform the action on the card. Then, play resumes in the original order. When spinning the Tiki, it must complete one full rotation. If it doesn't, nothing happens and you need to spin again. If it stops between two players and it is unclear who it is closer to, then the player who spun the idle gets to pick between the two players. The special Tiki face card actions are: draw 1, draw 2, draw 4. The chosen player draws the indicated number of cards. Discard 2. The chosen player discards any 2 cards from their hand that they want. Any action card abilities discarded in this way are ignored. Discard all. The chosen player may discard all the cards in their hand of the indicated color if they want. Any action card abilities discarded in this way are ignored. If you discarded all your cards in your hand, then the round ends, and you do not need to say Uno. Go to. The order of play immediately jumps to the chosen player, and they must play to the top card of the discard, and play continues from them like normal. After resolving the Tiki idle spin, the Tiki face card remains in the idle and is not removed. Some of the regular Uno cards include a spin symbol. Whenever you discard one of these, spin the idle and resolve the top Tiki face card there. At the end of the game, cards with the spin icon score like normal, and Tiki face cards are worth 20 points each.